Oh god. Hello, welcome to Slender The Arrival, the game that I'm going to cry at. Oh, and Sandy is doing something right now, so I have to wait until she comes back. So often we are guided by our devotion, okay, our love, our affection, I think. A bond that pulls us down paths not bargained. And when you find yourself alone as he casts out the— oh god damn it. How far will it carry you? Oh god. My car. My car though. I love the color, you know. It's nice. Oh yeah, the last times I was trying to record, my game like broke, so yeah. Am I living here now? 555-7273. Whee! Hi, I've actually been recording for 1 minute and 27 seconds. Not a minute and 24 seconds. Blue Isle Studios proudly presents this game that I'm gonna cry at in association with Parsec Productions. Alex Tinter, Brendan Frank. Wait. Garrett Marks, okay. I did not, okay. I love the scenery though. Do I have a stamina bot? Okay, I'm going nuts. Oh my god. Another car. I like the color of this car as well. It looks nice. Oh my god, my my camera angle. Oh, okay. I feel like crying. I don't know why. Oh yeah, sorry for not posting, by the way, guys. We were kind of caught up with life. Oh god, it just got darker. Give me back the sun. I want the sun. I cannot sing that song. That's probably okay. You are my sunshine. But okay. Give me back the sun. Oh yeah.
Take my sunshine away. Yeah.
I have no idea what you just said.
The lyrics are kind of sad, and you are my sunshine.
What about?
And because, yeah, the lyrics, there was something about like this guy dreamed that he was holding somebody in his arms, and then when he woke up, he realized that he wasn't holding that person, so then he cried.
I remember playing on the swing set with Kate when we were kids. Hold on, if you're using a voice changer, then I want to use a voice changer. Auto tune? No, it's not gonna show up unless I actually hit myself, which is annoying. Anyway. Why is this game so loud? It's... I have to live with it. You won't be able to hear anything, but it's so loud. I have to... I feel breathing down my neck. Which one of you demons are breathing? Oh, I thought it was like Phasmophobia where you could like hold the door, you know. Nice backpack. There seems to be Slender Man on the wall. Oh, crud.
Put graffiti inside a house. That's just what I want to know.
Hey, Kate, it's been a while since we last spoke, hasn't it? Hope you haven't forgotten about me. I know writing a letter is a little old-fashioned, but sometimes I just like to sit down and write something out, you know? So, I can't remember what I was doing at the time, but all this stuff we used to do when we were kids just came rushing back to me all of a sudden the other day. Remember when I'd sneak over at night so we could both go out on our adventures? Ghost hunting, we called it? We'd shine the flashlight through the trees and jump at every little insignificant noise. Our imaginations were always in overdrive. I wish I could rewind back to then. Seems like everything after that time just hasn't been as good for both of us. How long has it been again? It's been at least a couple of years, hasn't it? She was always kind of mean to me. Maybe she actually knew about us sneaking out all the time. Guess we'll never... Sorry, ignore all of that. I started rambling too much. Anyway, please let me hear from you soon. I know things have been less normal for you lately, so I just wanted to check in. CR. Are we CR?
I think player is CR.
I mean, it just said it on the swing set, so I would assume that we're CR, right?
I think so.
Frickin' don't close on me. What the? Thank you. I can't thank you enough for coming out all this way to help me out. It's been pretty. Oh, damn it! I just lost where I was. I can't thank you enough. Damn it! I can't thank you enough for coming out all this way to help me out. It's been a pretty rough road trying to sell this old place. I wish I had turned to you sooner. You had no idea how happy I'll be once this is all behind me. I'll always love you, Kate.
It said love you always.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, Sandy. Fine Lines appears to be dead.
I prefer to be called Lisa, but hey, you can call me Sandy if you want.
Okay. Why can I interact? Oh wait, I can't interact then. Oh, I'm gonna play
Playing
June.
piano was one of my hobbies.
Flashlight! Yeah! Oh my god, my hand. My hand.
It appears to be floating.
It does appear to be floating. Oh yeah, so do you guys want me to make a part 2 of this? Because it's been like 8 minutes already and the recording stops at 10 minutes.
Oh. I mean, couldn't we just do 2 recordings and then I edit the videos together and then we can upload it?
I guess, but I don't know how long this is gonna be. It could be like an hour or 3. Now I don't have to look at the dog.
Take Me Out to the Ball Game, sung by Edward Meeker, Edison Records.
What?
Thanks for calling last night. It probably sounds dumb, but it was good to hear your voice again. Good to hear that Lauren's been doing really well too. But yeah, about what we said. I'm not sure what to think of it yet. What are the odds of 2 people having the exact same hallucination? Could it really just be a coincidence? I have to go to my doctor today for some routine stuff, so I'm going to try and casually bring this up and see what he says about it. I'll let you know how it goes. CR. Turn this off.
That's concerning.
What is?
That the email thing.
Oh. Let me see the